Welcome to our comparison of two popular AMD motherboards, the ASRock B450M-HDV 4.0 and the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, pros and cons, and analyze which motherboard offers the best value for your build. Let's get started. The ASRock B450M-HDV 4.0 is priced at just $79, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious builders. In contrast, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS comes in at $119, reflecting its more advanced features and capabilities. While the ASRock motherboard is perfect for those looking to save money, the ASUS board offers more for those willing to invest a bit more. The ASRock B450M-HDV 4.0 offers essential features suitable for basic builds, including support for Ryzen CPUs and a compact micro ATX form factor. However, it lacks PCIe 4.0 support and has limited expansion options. On the other hand, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS boasts PCIe 4.0 support, dual M.2 slots, and enhanced cooling solutions, making it a superior choice for high-performance setups. Both motherboards utilize the AM4 socket and support a range of AMD Ryzen processors. The ASRock B450M-HDV 4.0 is compatible with Ryzen 2000, 3000, 4000, and 5000 series CPUs, making it versatile for various builds. In contrast, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS primarily supports the latest 3rd Gen and Ryzen 5000 series, ensuring optimal performance with the newest technology. In conclusion, the ASRock B450M-HDV 4.0 is an excellent budget option for those looking to build a basic PC, while the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS offers superior performance and features for a higher price. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.